All right, so we're out here today at Craig Woods Trails in the Adirondacks of New York, and today we're taking my DJI Action 4 and putting it to the test with the FOV Boost Lens compared to the standard lens. And we're doing that while mountain biking today because it's the ultimate test for immersion and motion, and I love mountain biking. Yeah, I know, the Action 5 Pro's out, so why not buy that one? Well, you could save some money getting the Action 4, and the Action 4 is still a killer camera, which gives you a little bit left over to purchase this FOV Boost Lens. So this is my Action 4, and I have the cage on it so I can mount it vertically as well, because we're going to do that comparison too. And this is a foamy wind muff that's really designed for GoPro, but it works for this. And I just cut a little slit out here for the light meter, and this is where the microphones are, so it covers the microphones, and it does really well. I also have wind noise reduction on as well because I think it works fantastic on these cameras. So all we're going to be doing is switching between this lens and the other lens just by unscrewing it right here and then switching it out while we're on the trail. 4K at 30 frames per second, rock steady on, same trail, same settings, side-by-side comparison will be nice and fair, and we're going to use the same mounting location each time. This is the chin mount location, the lower chin mount location. I think it is personally the best location you can mount a camera when you're filming mountain biking. Simply because with the rock steady on and your head acting as a natural gimbal, you get incredibly smooth footage. However, if you want to see different mounting points, let me know down below in the comments section and I'll bring the chest mount out, I'll put it up high on the visor or something like that so you can see different mounting locations. But today, to keep everything equal, we're going to keep it right here. All right, and to mount our FOV lens, it's really simple. You can unscrew this one, take that off. Look how massive that thing is. Pop that out and screw it on. All right, so it's pretty much that simple, but there's one very important step that you do not want to miss. Otherwise, your footage is not gonna come out very good. So we're gonna have to turn the camera on, head over to settings, scroll up until you reach the FOV Boost Lens mode. That's where you want to turn that on. It's going to notify you that you cannot use slow motion features. That's all good. We're not here for that. And there you go. Your FOV lens is activated. So please don't forget that step. All right, enough talking. Let's get to ripping. As you're seeing right now, look how incredibly wide this is. This is the FOV Boost Lens. All right, so here's my camera settings. 4K 30, rock steady, FOV is at ultra wide, of course. My white balance is set to 5500K. My ISO is between 100 and 800. My shutter is between 100 and 8000. And I have color is set to D-Log-M that gives me more dynamic range. My sharpness is set to -2 and my noise is set to -1. This footage is color graded. Yeah. Phew. Yeah. Now the difference might be hard to catch, so let's throw them side by side. And don't be shy about pausing the video to really spot the details. All right, now let's send it vertical for the gram. All right, so you tell me, are you picking up the FOV Boost Lens or are you sticking with standard? Let me know down below in the comments section. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.